Good morning. I wanted to do kind of an Insta story, get ready with me, unready with me, using some products from this month's Ipsy glam bag. So in light of Valentine's Day coming up, I wanted to make this video more about getting dolled up for yourself and treating yourself, because Valentine's Day isn't, I don't know, I just think there's too much pressure to be in a relationship or something. So I guess what I'm trying to say is you can just be your own Valentine, and you should be, and just to cherish and love yourself. And I know that sounds really cheesy, but I mean, I think it's really important. All right, so I've already done my brows and my concealer, and now I'm gonna do my eyeshadow, and I'm using ColourPop and a Lorac palette. So the first thing I'm going to use is this Supershock shadow in the color Steele. This is a really pretty shimmery pink color. So I'm just going to take some on my finger and just tap it onto my eye. It's such a pretty pink color. It's so girly, I love it. Now I'm gonna take this ColourPop Supershock shadow, and this is called Ignition, and it's a really beautiful purple shimmery color. It's very vibrant. Gonna be putting this on my finger again and lightly dabbing it onto my lid. Not gonna bring it as high up as I did the pink color though. So now we have this really pretty sparkly purple pink eyeshadow going on, and now I'm going to be taking a darker purple called Plum from this Lorac Pro palette. I'm going to be just taking a brush and tapping into it and then lightly smoking out my eye. Just concentrate it on the outer part of your eye if you have monolids. All right, and then I'm going to be taking that same plum color, and I'm going to be smoking out the bottom part of my eye. Such a pretty purple, I love it. Okay, it is lash time. This part is so hard for me to do. To go with this kind of purple look, I have this lavender highlighter. This is a creamy baked highlighter by Estate Cosmetics. This is in the color Afterglow, and look guys, it's really pigmented. I'm just popping this on my cheekbones. Wow, that's so luminous. This product is also cruelty-free, vegan, and paraben-free, if you guys are wondering. I'm going to lightly dust this on the tip of my nose. I really like a pretty nose highlight. So I'm going to do blush, and I have this Glossier Cloud Paint, and this is in the color Dusk. I just kind of blend this in with my fingers on the apples on my cheeks. So the last thing I'm going to do are my lips, and I have this Kokie Cosmetics liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Mad About Mauve. It's a muted pink brown shade. It's really pretty. Wow, this is so easy to use. Also, this is cruelty free too, in case you're wondering. So this is the finished look. I am gonna go get changed, and then I'm gonna go get some ice cream because I really want some ice cream, and this is a treat myself kind of video, so it's a good excuse to get some ice cream. tired, so I'm gonna take off this makeup and just relax and get into bed and stuff. So I changed into my PJs. Just gotta take my makeup off and then I'm going to relax and watch some Friends or anime. I'm not sure yet, but honestly guys, do you know what the best part about taking off your makeup is? This. Ooh. That smells so good. So I got a couple other things in my Ipsy Glam bag with the other two makeup products, and one of them is the Hey Honey Come Undone Face and Eye Daily Makeup Remover. So this makeup remover is really gentle. It's concentrated for your face and your eyes, which is really good, but what I like most about it is the fact that it uses 100% natural ingredients, and that's important to me because I have very sensitive skin. I mean, you guys can see that my skin's really sensitive. I have like a lot of acne trouble going on. So just tying my hair up. Bing. All right, so this product is gonna start off as a gel, and then once you start removing your makeup, it's gonna turn into like a milky lotion. So the makeup remover looks like this when you rub it in, and it really got all my makeup, especially my eyes. I wore like a lot of eyeshadow today, but it's really, really soft. It feels really good. So after that, I'm just gonna go in with my cleanser, and I use this 100% pure tea tree and willow clarifying cleanser. Guys, that double cleanse really took off all my makeup. Okay, so now that all my makeup is off, I really wanna do a mask, and I also got this Sand and Sky Brilliant Skin Purifying Pink Clay Mask. So I've actually seen this Sand and Sky Pink Clay Mask a lot on the web. A lot of people really like it. It draws out your impurities and it helps fight pollution that can damage your skin. And I think the way it absorbs impurities and dirt from your skin is from the pink clay from Australia and botanical ingredients that they use, which is why it's called Purifying Pink Clay Mask. I'm really excited to use this. I see people using it all the time and it just has really good reviews. This is so smooth. I really like it. I haven't done a clay mask in a long time. I feel like doing a mask is the ultimate treat yourself, isn't it? Gosh, this feels so good. It's so smooth and soft. I just want you guys to know that I remember Valentine's Day for me was, when I was younger, was rough because I felt like I had to be with someone and someone had to get me chocolates or whatever. So y'all go ahead and be your own Valentine. I just feel like I really wanted to say that, even though I have a boyfriend and everything, I want to be my own Valentine. Just leave this on for about 10 minutes to let the mask dry on your face and everything, and then you just wash it off with warm water. So I'm probably just gonna eat a snack and watch some Friends.
You didn't just break up. It's been like 3 weeks. You slept with somebody 3 hours after you thought you broke up. I mean, bullets have left guns.
This is what the mask looks like. It looks so cool. And then you just have to wash it off with some lukewarm water. It's really easy. This is really easy to wash off. I'm gonna go ahead and do my skincare routine, but I will do a separate video on that whenever this gets much more improved. Okay, well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this Insta story video. Get ready with me and unready with me. And I don't want to make this cheesy, but I hope you guys remember that you're important and you should treat yourself with importance, despite Valentine's Day being like all about your significant other. I had a lot of fun today, just kind of treating myself, getting dolled up for myself, and just relaxing for myself. It was really nice. I haven't done that in a while, so this was really fun. But I'm probably just gonna eat some more ice cream and then I'm gonna watch some Friends and relax for the rest of the night. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!